Stop! Before you click away, answer me this. Is the bottle you are drinking from right now secretly making you sick? In 2026, the game changed. Plastic liners are out. Toxic coatings are being banned. And 5 stainless steel warriors have risen to the top. But here's the catch. 3 of them failed my test so badly, I threw them in the trash. Only 2 survived. Stay with me, because the number 1 bottle on this list costs less than your lunch, but performs like a $100 luxury tank. Let's destroy the lies. Number 1. Owala FreeSip water bottle. This water bottle was a pleasure to use overall, but my favorite thing about it was the dual straw and chug mouthpieces. Both were smooth to drink from and gave you the choice of taking small sips or larger gulps if you're really thirsty. I also liked the lock lid, which popped right open when the button was pressed and ensured a leak-proof seal. Since I first tested this water bottle, it's become incredibly popular. And while popularity doesn't indicate quality, I've been using the Owala for nearly 4 years, and it's still leak-proof and in great shape. The bottle was a tad wider, by a 1/4 inch, than our other 2 top picks, but I was still able to fit it into a car cup holder and tote bag. The base dinged up quite a bit when dropped, but the dents didn't affect usability. That said, you can buy a bottle boot to protect the bottle's bottom if looks matter to you. Key specs. Volume, 24 fluid ounces. Materials, stainless steel, plastic. Base diameter, 3 inches. Height, 10.75 inches. Weight, 13.7 ounces. Sipping style, straw and chug. Dishwasher safe, lid and straw only. How long it kept water chilled under 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 hours. Number 2. Owala FreeSip Sway. The FreeSip Sway has the same sip or chug mouthpiece that makes the winning Owala special and comes in 2 tapered bottom sizes, 30 or 40 ounces. It's a fantastic choice for people who want a larger capacity bottle without having to sacrifice the ability to stash it in cup holders. Since the Sway is a newer generation of the original FreeSip bottle, it includes a separate lid lock and improved gaskets around the top and spout that are thicker and easier to remove for cleaning. The broad handle also spans the entire width of the lid, rather than just that of the mouthpiece cover, as it does for the original FreeSip, making it more comfortable to hold. Ashley, who uses this bottle daily and gifts it regularly, says she likes looping her keychain around it while running errands purse-free. It's insulated, too, and keeps ice water chilled nicely. The gasket that seals the mouthpiece has an inner lip where grime can build up. Ashley recommends using a straw brush for scrubbing all the nooks and crannies. It didn't keep the test volume of ice and water cold for as long as other bottles I tested, but this is likely because the iced water took up less than half of its larger volume. It still stayed chill for 20 hours, which would be more than enough for most users. Key specs. Volume, 30 ounces. Materials, stainless steel, plastic. Base diameter, 2.5 inches. Height, 10.25 inches. Weight, 18.4 ounces. Sipping style, straw and chug. Dishwasher safe, lid and straw only. How long it kept water chilled under 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 hours. Number 3. Steel water bottle. The Contigo punched above its weight and was a fraction of the price of some bottles in our lineup. The lid has an intuitive and easy-to-use lock system that prevents leaks. And even though it didn't have a straw, the mouthpiece was quite small, which made for a smooth sipping experience. It also beat out some of the pricier models, *Yeti cough, when it came to cold retention. The narrow body made it portable, too. I'd have preferred a straw, but this was still a great water bottle. It got minor dents and dings during our durability testing, and the narrow mouthpiece was slightly hard to clean, but neither issue was a deal breaker. Key specs. Volume, 24 fluid ounces. Materials, stainless steel, plastic. Base diameter, 2.75 inches. Height, 11 inches. Weight, 14.3 ounces. Sipping style, sipping port, no straw. Dishwasher safe, yes. How long it kept water chilled under 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 29 plus hours. Number 4. Hydro Flask 24 ounces wide mouth water bottle. Lightweight, easy to use, and with a simple straw for sipping, the Hydro Flask is a solid, no-frills water bottle. It has a narrow diameter, which makes it perfect for bringing along in the car. The cold retention was good as well. The only downsides were that it was expensive and it dinged fairly easily, but the good news is you can buy a removable, silicone boot to protect it. The only other qualm I had was that sometimes the water exuberantly spurted from the mouthpiece upon sipping. Key specs. Volume, 24 fluid ounces. Materials, stainless steel, plastic. Base diameter, 2.75 inches. Height, 10.75 inches. Weight, 12.8 ounces. Sipping style, straw. Dishwasher safe, yes, it's best to wash the straw and lid on the top rack. How long it kept water chilled under 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 hours. Number 5. Simple Modern 40. If you're gonna buy an insulated tumbler, I recommend this $30, monochrome pick. Sure, it's not a Stanley, but it still stacks up mighty fine. It's leak-proof, Stanley isn't, has a narrow base that fits nicely into a cup holder, and it kept water cold for 16 hours, that's twice as long as my workday. This last point is a huge win for me. I love a cold glass of water, and if I'm going to sip 40 ounces of it throughout the day, I want it to stay nice and chilly. We had some trouble screwing on the thin lid, but once we matched the threads up, it was smooth sailing. Key specs. Volume, 40 ounces. Materials, stainless steel. Weight, 1 pound. Fits in a car cup holder, yes. Sipping style, straw. Dishwasher safe, yes. And that's the truth about the 5 stainless steel champions of 2026. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best value, and the most expensive one? It broke on day 3. I have put the direct links to every single bottle you saw today, the winners and the losers, in the description box below. Do not guess. Buy the right one. If this video saved you $50 on a useless bottle, do me 2 favors, smash that like button to tell YouTube you care about quality, and hit subscribe so you never buy a bad product again. I'll see you in the next test. Hydrate smart.